Alright, in this video we are going to learning the introduction of Microsoft Word interface. Hello, you're welcome. My name is Henry and you are at HTech-Academy YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful to you. Let's go into the business of the day. Now, Microsoft Word is a word processing program that allows the creation of simple and complex documents. Now, this is the interface of the Microsoft Word. As you can see over here at the left, you have the Home tab, which is where we are currently in. We have the New tab, we have the Open tab, we have the Account, we have the Feedback, and the Option. Now, over to the Home tab, documents and the documents that we could use to start a new Word document on Microsoft Word. Over here we could see some templates. But to access more templates, we click on more option. Okay, so when we click on more option, we could see varieties of templates. We could scroll back down to get access to more templates. Now, what are templates? Templates are simply customizable Word documents that we could easily customize or edit for our preferential use. To access templates that are not found on a different online template, just simply be searching for a birthday template. So I'll just come over and I'll write birthday and I'll just click start. Notice it's gonna take some time to load the online template. It gives us multiple templates we could use for our birthday, as you could see. So we just go over and click on whatever option we like and either pin the card or we double click on it to open. Okay, this takes us to this particular interface. Okay, as you can see, it opens the template for us to have access to. Now we could customize it and put the name, okay, of the celebrant or whatever detail we want. So immediately select our template online, it comes up to our default. So over here we could easily access it whenever we want. Okay, now we'll click back on the home tab. Alright, now just below the template you have what we call the recent file document. Now the recent file document, when I scroll down you can see various documents and their date. Now to access more documents I can click over here. Right, this takes me to the document folder where I can see different and more documents. Okay, I could recover or save one. Okay, I could go over to the folder, okay, and have access to more. Okay, so I'll just go back to our home tab. Right, now the recent tab over here contains recent documents that has been created on Microsoft Word. Okay, it helps arrange them according to their date of creation, making it easier for the user to quickly access them. Now, documents in the recent tab can be pinned. This very icon comes up here, okay, which is pin this item to the list. What does this pin mean? This pin simply helps us stack our document so it could easily be accessed to. For example, instead of going to search for it all the time or having to scroll down to search for it, we could pin it. So whenever we want to have access to it, we just simply go to the pin document. Now this is what I mean. Let's say I want to pin this particular document which is notice to MS Word. I'll just come over to this icon and I will click on it. Immediately I click on it, it gets pinned. So I will scroll up, okay, and I will come over to this pin tab, right? As you can see, I have the file document, which is Navisto MS Word. So instead of me going over here to start searching for it, I can easily access it on my pin tab. So we pin different documents that we want to always have access to faster, right? Just below the home tab, we have the tab. Now the new tab is another interface on its own. It also contains various templates you could use. You can also go to and search for online as you did before. You see the previously downloaded templates we did. Okay, scroll down and also have access to other templates. Remember, I said template as customizable documents that we could use for any document purposes. Alright, now just below the new tab is the open tab. The open tab is simply the tab that allows us open documents that are stored inside our system or inside our computer. Now when I click on it, notice it gives me access, okay, to my PC to browse. Okay, it also gives me access to my drive, but right now it's not connected to my Google Drive. Now once I click on this PC, it takes me to the folders, the saved folder, takes me to the saved folders on my PC. I could scroll down to search whatever folder I have documents in I want to open. I'll just locate the document, okay, and I'll just click on it till I'm able to see the document and have access to it. If it's not on this folder, I could click over on this arrow to go back and locate the folder. Browse also does the same thing. It takes you fully into your PC. This time you see your folders from the Windows interface instead of the Microsoft Word interface. So over here now, you have full access to every document in your computer or in your PC. You can easily go back, you can see your folders and you write over here your 3D object, desktop, document, download, and the rest. So you have full access to whatever document you have inside your computer through the open tab. Right? Now, next after the open tab is the account tab. Now, when I click on the account tab, okay, this gives us the account details of our Microsoft Word. As you can see, we could over here we have the account privacy. We could manage these settings by clicking on this tab over here, right? Now under it is Office theme. You could click on this drop down and choose whatever preference theme you want. If I select dark, notice the color of the interface changes. So I'll leave it as default white. Alright, over here, if I have an account with the Microsoft Word sign in, I can click over here to sign in my account with Microsoft Word. Okay, this gives us the product information. As you see, various products that comes with this particular software, ranging from the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the rest. Over here gives us office updates and the other details. Below the account is the feedback. The feedback allows us to make recommendation or comment or suggestion to Microsoft Word. Let's say we are a document and on the process of creating the document, we get some bugs or we get some unpleasant situation. We easily write to Microsoft Word and recommend better ways they could serve us. Alright, so if there is something we like, we could also send over here saying I like something. We could use this to send nice positive feedback to them. I don't like this, we send a fan over what I don't this over this, I don't like this, we could just send them a fan, letting them know that we don't like a particular a particular program from them. Over here allows us to send suggestion or recommend or what they could make improvements on. Now, after the feedback, just below it is the option tab. Now, the option tab, when clicked, it contains all the preference settings of the Microsoft Word, ranging from the general to the trust center. And when I click on each of these tabs, I notice the interface over here changes, showing that each of them has their commands settings. Now over to the general tab. Looking over here, we have a lot of things we could customize, alright, to our preference. So I'll just leave everything over here as default. We'll look more and more into some of this as we proceed in this tutorial. So I'll just click OK